Everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I wanted to show you guys my new purchase that just came in the mail from Amazon. It is the Icord knitter. You guys know that I recently uploaded like a compilation video showing you things that you can make with just the Icord. You guys, like the jewelry aspect of it, you know, like the earrings, necklaces, bracelets, things like that. That's more of what I wanted to make. So I went on ahead and made that purchase. This was $35, so not too pricey, not nothing crazy. But I'm trying to figure out how I'm going. Okay, this is what it looks like. Of course, you know, we're gonna put the yarn in here and just do like this, and it does include the weight. And it looks like a little crochet hook tool thing, little latch hook thing. So, oh yeah, that's some weight. Yeah, that's some weight. Now, does this have constructions? It does. So let's see if we can figure this out. Alright, so I'm just going to be using some red heart yarn that I got right here. This is what I'm going to be using. So to start, it says to take it up through this guide right here and to pretty much take it down through that hole. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Y'all, it's like static. Like it is straight avoiding that hole. Like it's... the static is making it not want to go. But like, you gotta go. You don't have a choice. You're going today. Okay. And then once I pretty much place it down through there, I'm going to put the weight on it. Alright, you guys, so it does work, but I did have a little trial and error in the beginning trying to pick this up. But you guys, this is super quick. Look at that. It's perfect. Like it's a perfect knitted, whatever it is, it's done. Yeah, this could be oh goodness, wrong way. This could be a necklace. Add some bling to it. Could even be a bracelet. So I'm probably about to have some fun with this, see what I can create, see what I can come up with. I will leave the link to this tool in the description box. But you guys, like I said, this was like a trial and error with this. It didn't take me long. It took me 2 times to really get the hang of it. So it took like one fail. I don't know why, but like the first time I did it, it was creating this outside of it. Like it wasn't going in the hole, it was outside. I don't know. So I just unraveled it, undid the whole thing, started all the way over, and then it worked. And then my son had came in here and threw me all the way off, y'all. Like all the way off. And that's why it's that short. Because I messed up and he threw me off, and I went in reverse and it just unraveled it and took it off the hooks. And he was pretty much like, "You're done, Mom. You're done." So that's it for that. So if you have any questions about that or want me to do like a video going in some more detail, I can. Just let me know. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Okay, so really quickly, I wanted to come on here. I spent it probably took me about 10 minutes to do this. This is just one very very, very long one, like super long. And then as you can see, I just tied the two ends together. But I like it. I had it on as like a necklace. Well, let me put that to the bed. We don't need to see that. You guys, I think this is super cute. And you can wear it however you want, because you can customize, you know, the lengths, make it one shorter, one longer. I can add rhinestones to this. You guys, I love it. I'm trying to look and fix it and do all at the same time. Like, you can fix this up. Like, this is really nice. I'm really going to have some fun with this. I love it. Wait, I see the little string trying to poke through. Yeah, I like it. And my daughter actually liked it as a headband, she said. Let me show you guys. So, I can't see that good because it's not a mirror. Let me see. Okay, let me lift it up just a little bit. My daughter wore it as like a headband though. And she looked cute. So, I don't know if it would look cute on me. Yeah, that don't look bad. It looks cute. Yeah, see, I like it as a headband. That looks really cute as a headband, actually. I like that. Okay, so for 35 bucks, you guys, and I can bling this out. I think I am going to bling it out. You guys know I try to bling everything out. So I'm going to bling this out, and I'm going to have some fun with this. And I will see you guys soon.